kids, Miss Schaaf again. Today's lab is we're going to do paper chromatography. We're going to try to figure out what is in a black marker. Is it just black color or is it all colors? So in order to do this, I hope you'll try it at home. It's super fun. You can, there's a bunch of different ways you could do this. So the first thing is though, you do need washable markers. So black is the one we want to try to figure out what the color is. You can try it with other colors if you want. If you don't have black, use what you do have, but it has to be a washable marker. Do not try to use a Sharpie. It's not water soluble, so it won't separate. And I tried one of these dry erase markers before, and they don't work either. I'm not really sure why, but I'll have to research that. So the setup is very simple. You only need to do one of these. I'm just showing you options. So you need a glass with a little bit of water in it. I've already poured a little bit of water into my 3 different setups. You can, if all you have is printer paper, cut some strips of printer paper. You're going to want to tape them around a marker or a pencil. All right. And again, you want to put a dot on this, just a little bit above, maybe 2 finger widths above. Make sure you have just a tiny little bit of water. And I'm going to do the same thing with the paper towel as an option that you could try as well. Same setup. You just cut strips, tape it on. You're going to try to measure it ahead of time to make sure it's the right height. All right. And then filter paper. This is a coffee filter. It's not ideal that it's brown, but hey, we're going to try it anyway. If you have a white one, that's probably the best way to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully, and you only want to dip just the end of the paper into the water. And you set it into the middle. You just set it and you're going to leave it. You're going to watch it. We all know what paper towels do, right? They're the quicker picker upper. So this is probably going to go pretty fast, right? The water rises up, all right? And then we're going to do the filter paper or the coffee filter here. Alrighty, notice how I just dipped the end in, not the dot. And the purpose of this is to watch the water rise up. The way paper chromatography works is the water creeps up along the paper. Regular paper will take a much longer time. And then, well, you'll have to make some of your own observations and conclusions. So that's it for today. I hope you give it a try and don't forget to turn in your lab sheet. Bye.